Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to our YouTube station. I have been on the national news many, many times. I've been on, Newsmax, News Nation, CBS, ABC, NBC, Fox. I have a team of former IRS agents. I've been doing this a long time. I worked for IRS for 10 years. I have actually been in practice for 51 years total, my IRS time. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. I want to talk to tax preparers who are going through due diligence audits. IRS seems to be really hot on this. As a matter of fact, the reason I'm doing this YouTube, I got 2 calls yesterday. By the way, you're not allowed to see my snacks. I'm going to move the camera so you can't see what I munch on. We have about 250 years of direct IRS work experience, and IRS. I just want to tell you about these due diligence audits and tax preparer audit, everything that really goes on, at least so you know. IRS has a series of algorithms. Many people don't know this, but being an agent and speaking to agents now, I know what's going on. And with your PTIN number, IRS knows every return you file, every time you took the credit, every time you took a loss on Schedule C. They know everything about you. They know what your average refund is. They don't know, obviously, what you charge, but they know about those returns. IRS is looking for a bunch of credits that you've taken, you maybe were aggressive with, or a bunch of business losses that maybe you shouldn't have taken as many. But when IRS comes out, they usually target 25, or they may target 50, depending on the audit and what they found. When they come out, they know exactly what 25 or 50 or 100 that they're looking for. Matter of fact, yesterday I had somebody call me. They're looking at all 450 of his 1040s. So all of you have just different issues. Some of you may have prepared them real aggressively, some of them kind of okay. So what do you expect during this due diligence audit? Well, IRS will come out. They'll send you a letter, usually with a list of returns they want to see in people. So they're going to look at that list, and then they decide at that point in time whether they want to do more or not. That's really how this goes. The agent pretty much determines what course of action they drive the car. Where do former IRS agents come in? Well, a lot of times we can help steer them or negotiate so they don't go further or dig deeper. Usually we know what they're going to ask for ahead of time, so we try to come in as much as we can. We don't have magic wands, wizards, but we know what they're going to do. A lot of times we can steer them a little different and kind of help you get out of this. The bigger problems you may have are with your clients, because they may get audited and then they're going to look to you to go ahead and do that. They want to look for you to pay the penalty. So other things can happen. I just want you to know that. I'm just telling you, by having former IRS agents, we know what they're going to do. We're immediately respected because we had the job. So we know what the length and every turn they make, we actually are way, way in front of them. We can help at least, be that representative between you and them. If you need us, give me a call. I hope you have a good idea. Remember, they're going to target 25, maybe 50, maybe 100, but they know exactly what they're looking for because they have a list of the tax returns that have these extra credits or losses or maybe the dependents or exemptions on it that doesn't make sense. If you need me, you know where to get a hold of me. I've been doing this a long time. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. We give you the best. I'm available for a free consultation. You just call me directly. Thank you. You can't have my snacks.